don't feel it's gonna go really fast.
This is Storm Surge Part 2 without Rahim. Are you boys getting scared?
No. Yeah.
Are you scared, Eunice?
Yeah.
Oh, look how high we're going, Eunice. Oh.
You're going to feel tingly. You're going up quite high.
Oh, night time. Eunice. Storm Surge.
Are you guys sure? It's not that fast.
No,
It's
no,
not.
no, it's not. It's like, I'm saying even like
imagine if you jumped
look
off.
so high still. I know, it's alright.
Look at the lights.
Look
Look at stealth is green.
So yeah, Josh going up here just to see.
Oh wow, stealth looks so cool up there. This reminds me of, you know, when we're in Singapore on the thing,
Oh yeah.
night time.
No, you
We're on the way with Yusuf and Yunus.
give me the tin because I'm not gonna be happy.
It's nice, it's not gonna, this is like an aqua ride, you sir.
This
This is a
nothing
baby
even holding you down. Oh, look, there's nothing, so that means it's like scary. Baby ride.
Even Rahim didn't get scared when he was baby. Ooh, we are quite high up actually.
Yeah, but he was still like a month, like 4 months old.
No, he was younger than you.
But how much? 2 months. 3 months.
Don't worry about the phone, yeah. You like
No, last
just.
time, remember,
This is that good.
Well, what happened last time?
you realised it went a bit faster than it would have.
What did they?
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's just gonna go. It's not a big drop here. It's just a little thing.
It's fine, Yunus.
Yeah. Oh! Storm Surge Part 2. Look, you're just getting brave. You're just getting brave. Whoa. Whoa. Look, Eunice is just chilling now. I think he's a bad boy. Look at him.
No, it's true. That's what happened to you.
How was it? 1 to 10, boys?
11.7.
11.7. Chillski Eunice. And this is the end of Storm Surge Part 2.